Another special homecoming today for military families here in the Valley. 4 soldiers just back from Afghanistan and just in time for Christmas. ABC 15's Ryan Cummings takes us to Sky Harbor for that emotional reunion.
On a day like today, emotions are hard to contain.
Why anytime I texting one of you guys?
My mom's dead.
Marley Vore hasn't been home in a year. One father can't take his eyes off the door.
Hope the flight's on time.
You never stop being a parent.
I'm worried. Where is she, you know?
His little girl stationed in Afghanistan. The wait is agonizing,
I would think she'd call if she missed her flight. We'd know by now.
especially when you're surrounded by this. And right behind him,
Come here, sweetie.
this year, the hugs last a little bit longer.
There was a huge turnout for those 4 soldiers who returned this morning, in part thanks to the USO, which works to make sure every soldier is greeted warmly.